Google's Android 15th May update is here for Pixel phones and it's fixing big issues. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into what's new. Bluetooth glitches, soft mics, and 50 security fixes. The Android 15 update makes your Pixel smoother and safer. Want the details? Stick with us. Google kicked off the Android 15th May 2025 security patch for Pixel devices from the Pixel 6 to the brand new Pixel 9 series, plus the Pixel Fold and tablet. Announced via Google support page, this update tackles 50 security vulnerabilities, including one CV 2025-27363 that may have been exploited in targeted attacks per 9 to 5 Google. It's rolling out globally, with build versions varying by region and carriers like Verizon and Deutsche Telekom. This patch isn't just about security, it's a lifesaver for Pixel users. It fixes a Bluetooth issue where smartwatches like some Wear OS models wouldn't pair properly, as noted on X. It also corrects a microphone bug that made recordings too soft in apps like WhatsApp. Plus, quick settings got a tweak, no more torch or aeroplane mode. It's now flashlight and airplane mode for clarity. These changes make your Pixel feel polished and reliable. The update hits a wide range of devices: Pixel 6, 6 Pro, 6a, Pixel 7, 7 Pro, 7a, Pixel 8, 8 Pro, 8a, Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, T9 Pro Fold, 9a, Pixel Fold, and Pixel Tablet. It keeps your phone secure against exploits and smooths out annoying bugs, ensuring your Pixel runs like a dream. Google's commitment to monthly patches shows why Pixel fans love the pure Android experience, even if rollouts take a few weeks for all regions. If you've got a Pixel, check for the May update now. It's a must for security and performance. Notice better Bluetooth or mic quality yet? Let us know in the comments what's your favorite fix and which Pixel are you rocking? That's the lowdown on Google's Android 15th May update for Pixel. If you're loving these fixes, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech news.